Hi guys, this is Lian from Lianzhan Electronics from China. I'm so happy to be here to show you one of our popular speaker connector. Yes, as you may know, this is exactly replacement of Neutrik speaker connects, model NL4MP-M3. And as you see, this is the 4-pole chassis connect with M3 threaded inserts. And these speaker connects are the standard chassis connects. It's widely used for loudspeaker, amplifier, interconnections. And features a unique metal locking system, which can make connects only once fully locked. And these speaker connects are robust and easy to terminate. And actually, except this one, we have more other types. Welcome Connect Lian for more details. Thank you guys.